how every time you need to buy something, your first instinct is to search for it on Amazon? Same here. But there's a new e-commerce website in town, Temu.
I'm sure you've seen this site, Temu, right?
Shopping app Temu has become the most downloaded shopping app in the United States.
Temu is cheaper, aggressively promotional.
Have you ever heard of Temu?
Temu has absolutely exploded.
But Temu has one of the most competitive affiliate programs on the market right now.
We wouldn't say it's an Amazon competitor because that's like saying you, with the telescope in your childhood room, were giving NASA a run for its money. However, Temu is a shopping haven in itself. From accessories and clothing to home appliances, you can shop for a lot here. But what if you want to make money off Temu rather than spend money? Keep watching to find out. 2 ways to make money on Temu. Since Temu is still relatively lesser known, there's an opportunity for you to make a name for yourself on the platform before the competition comes pouring in. Here are 2 ways to make money on Temu. Number 1, sell products. It's not rocket science. The most obvious way to make money in a marketplace is to sell products. Since there are plenty of categories, you can sell a wide range of products. To get started, you must follow these steps. Register as a merchant on the platform by emailing Temu. Upload your data and product catalog. Wait for Temu to approve your profile. It takes about 3 to 5 days. Once you're registered, you can start selling on the platform. Earning potential. The earning potential will depend on what you sell and how much of it you sell. For example, if you sell bed mattresses, you can earn anywhere from a few $100 to $1,000 from a single sale. However, if you sell hair accessories, you'll have to make a ton of sales to earn the same amount. But then again, hair accessories sell more often than mattresses. The rate of sales and product pricing will determine how much you can earn. Pro tip: Temu has a Best Sellers tab where you can see trending and most sold products. You can use this to decide which products to list on your account. What you can sell. Since it's a generalist marketplace, Temu allows you to sell pretty much everything, as long as it's legal and harmless. Common categories include smart home devices, arts and crafts, home decor, apparel, etc. If your product breaches the platform's guidelines, it may be taken off. Even worse, Temu might suspend your account. Avoid listing the following items: animal products, fresh food, weapons or firearms, drugs, counterfeit products. Let's say you're a small business selling home decor items. You can just list your own products on Temu. But what if you don't have a product to sell? That shouldn't be the reason you give up on Temu altogether. Instead, buy items in bulk from wholesale sellers on Alibaba or similar websites. Then you can resell those items on Temu with a higher markup price. Number 2, become an affiliate. According to Temu, you can earn a whopping $100,000 per month from its affiliate program. We're sure you're all ears or eyes now. When you first become an affiliate, you get $5 as a reward. That's just the beginning. After that, you can earn up to 20% commissions for every sale. Earning potential. Temu has already said it, $100,000. But we wouldn't suggest you get your hopes up. It's likely Temu is just overselling its affiliate program to get more people to sign up. While there may be a potential to earn $100,000, it will require you to have millions of loyal website visitors or followers. A small to moderate following can earn you a few $100s. For reference, Amazon affiliates make about $100,000 to $20,000 per month. How to sign up. To be eligible for Temu's affiliate program, you must have at least 1,000 followers on your social media profile, or the same number of visitors on your website. If you fulfill their criteria, you can sign up to become an affiliate on Temu's website. The company will send you an affiliate code and link. You can then use them to promote Temu's products on your social media platform or website. How the commission structure works. as we've already mentioned, you can expect to get up to 20% in commissions. That doesn't mean every sale gives you 20%. The commission rate differs across categories and affiliate levels. Suppose the commission rate for home appliances is 10%. A customer uses your affiliate link to buy a microwave worth $500. You'll get 10% of the purchase amount. Now you're $50 richer. The more sales you make, the more you can expect to earn. Temu also offers commissions on upgraded or renewed products. In that case, you will get a recurring commission every time a renewal occurs. An interesting thing about Temu is its Tier 3 commission structure. In simple words, it means that you can earn commissions for your referral sales too. It's a bit of a mind twister, we know. Let us explain. You're an affiliate of Temu. You refer the platform to your friend, who then uses your link to sign up as an affiliate and promote Temu's products. A third person now uses your friend's affiliate link to buy a product on Temu. Your friend obviously gets a commission since their affiliate link is being used. The Tier 3 commission structure means that you get a commission too. Sure enough, it's not as high as your friend's, but it's still something. Temu might not be as big as eBay or Amazon, but it has a substantial user base. You can tap into this audience by selling your products or becoming an affiliate. Either way, there's a potential to earn. Becoming an affiliate is less of a hassle since you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Before you head off to Temu to collect your $100,000, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
I'm talking about getting very, very rich.